Top 10 Advantages of Ebooks over Printed Books. Schools and corporate organizations are increasingly moving towards ebooks, because ebooks are better equipped to provide an engaging learning and reading experience to users. Ebooks are more functional and fare far better in terms of ease of carrying. Let us see some of the advantages that ebooks have over the traditional printed books. Here are the top 10 advantages of ebooks over printed books. 1. One device, many books. Ebooks are portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry around. Instead of carrying multiple bulky books, one ebook reader can hold thousands of ebooks. It saves a lot of space, in your home and in your bag. One doesn't have to worry about the storage limit. Here are the top number 2 advantage of ebooks over printed books. It's accessible everywhere. Ebooks can be downloaded and stored for later use. One can carry the ebook around and read them whenever they want. Students and employees can go through the learning material while at home and even while traveling. It is convenient for people on the go. Some e-readers come with the option of offline accessibility, allowing people to use it even in the absence of an internet connection. Unlike printed books, which have to be ordered or purchased from a bookstore. With time lost in waiting for delivery or traveling to the bookstore, readers can easily access any ebook anytime and anywhere.